Welcome to Sri Digambar Institute of Technology, Dausa. Myself Pushpendra Kumar, Assistant Professor in Civil Department. Our subject is RRS and topic grouting and jacketing. Students, in last lecture we discussed about the topic cement based polymer modified mortar. Today let's start pre-placed aggregate concrete PAC. Pre-placed concrete is a special technique of placing concrete under water when trim-ion method is not found feasible. This method is adopted. This technique, also called grouted concrete, consists of placing the coarse aggregate only in the form and thoroughly compacting it to form a pre-packed mass. This mass is then grouted with the cement mortar of the required proportion. Pre-placed aggregate concrete is used where placing conventional concrete is extremely difficult, such as where massive reinforcement, steel and embedded items are present in underwater repairs. Concrete and masonry repair or where shrinkage of concrete must be kept to a minimum. Pre-placed aggregate concrete repair to concrete wall. डायग्राम में आप देख सकते हैं इंजेक्शन ट्यूब withdrawn as grout rises, coarse aggregate placed dry, existing retaining wall formwork with raking support, cement grout is pumped in through the injection tube. The pre-placed aggregate concrete process is described below. Formwork and structural steel are installed. Washed aggregate is slurried into place. Grout is pumped into the formwork, starting at the bottom and finishing at the top. Forms are pulled after cure time is complete, leaving a strong, aesthetically pleasing finish. The grouting of pre-placed aggregate done by three methods. The grout mixture is poured on the top surface of aggregate and allowed to penetrate downwards. This method is particularly useful for grouting thin concrete members such as road pavements and floor slab. The mold is partially filled up with grout and the coarse aggregate can be deposited in the grout. The grout is pumped into the pre-placed aggregate mass from bottom of the mold. The position of injection pipe is raised from bottom to cover full depth of mold. Advantage of pre-placed aggregate concrete. There are several advantages with this process, including high bondability, low shrinkage, reduced cracking and increased strength. PAC can also lead to cost saving because it reduces the need for heavy equipment. This technique is employed in mass concreting, in bridge abutment and pier, etc. Shotcrete or gunite. Shotcrete or gunite is a mortar or a fine concrete that is pneumatically transported through a hose and projected onto a surface at a high velocity. This system is called by different names in different countries, such as blastcrete, guncrete, jetcrete, newcrete, spraycrete, etc. Though the principle is essentially the same, this system is very well suited for construction of lightly reinforced thin section. Shotcrete is more economical than conventional concrete because of less formwork requirement. Requiring a small portable plant for manufacturing and placement, the force of the jet impacting on the surface compart the material. Sometimes set accelerators are used to assist overhead placing. The newly development ready set cement can also be used for shotcreting process. Shortcut versus conventional concrete. Conventional concrete is first placed and then compacted in the second operation. So shortcut undergoes placement and compaction at the same time. Shortcut is more dense, homogeneous, strong and waterproof. It can be impacted onto any type or shape of surface including vertical or overhead areas. Classification of shortcut: dry process and wet process. Dry process and wet process. Dry process. Step first, pre-blended, dry or semi-damped materials are placed into shortcut equipment and metered into a hose. Compressed air conveys material at high velocity to the nozzle where the water is added. Step 3. Then the material is consolidated on receiving surface by high impact velocity. Advantage of dry process: easy startup, shutdown and cleanup. Control of material is on site. The dry process equipment can convey the material to a distance of 300 meter to 500 meter horizontally and 45 to 100 meter vertically. Shortcut and guniting: water valve, nozzle, flexible pipe carrying dry cement and sand, cement gun, moisture extractor, air compressor, pressure tank for water supply, flexible pipe for carrying water. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, जनरल अरेंजमेंट ऑफ apparatus in gunite system. Wet process. Step first, all ingredients including water are thoroughly mixed and introduced into the shortcut equipment. Wet material is pumped to the nozzle where compressed air is introduced. Mostly wet process shortcutting is done with pre-mixed mortar or small aggregate concrete. Advantage of wet process: little or no formwork is required. Cost effective method for placing concrete. Ideal for irregular surface applications. Allows for easier material handling in areas with difficult access. The various applications of shortcut are thin overhead, vertical or horizontal surface, swimming pool and pre-stressed tanks, canal and tunnel lining, repair of damaged concrete, overlays or concrete roads, refractory lining work. At present, two different processes are employed for shortcutting, namely dry mix process and wet mix process. Application of shortcut: rehabilitation of subway tunnels, construction of domed roof, हाईवे कल्वर्ट रिपेयर एंड आर्च कल्वर्ट. स्टूडेंट्स थैंक्स. आज हमने बात की, एक बार वापस हम डिस्कस करते हैं स्टार्टिंग. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी डिस्कस प्री प्लेस एग्रीगेट कंक्रीट. तो प्री प्लेस्ड एग्रीगेट कंक्रीट क्या होता है हमने पढ़ा था. प्री प्लेस्ड कंक्रीट इज ए स्पेशल टेक्निक ऑफ प्लेसिंग कंक्रीट अंडर वाटर. ये एक स्पेशल तकनीक होती है. इसमें क्या करते हैं हम, कंक्रीट को अंडर वाटर क्या करते हैं हम, प्लेस करते हैं. मतलब पानी जहाँ पे होता है वहाँ पे कंक्रीट क्या करते हैं, प्लेस करते हैं. ठीक है. व्हेन ट्रीमाइन मेथड इज़ नॉट फाउंड फिजिबल, जहाँ पे ये ट्रीमाइन मेथड सक्सेस नहीं होता. ठीक है. दिस मेथड इज़ एडोप्टेड. जहाँ पे ट्रीमाइन मेथड का यूज नहीं कर सकते वहाँ पे इस मेथड को हम क्या कर सकते हैं, एडोप्ट करते हैं. और ये जो टेक्निक है इसको ग्राउटेड कंक्रीट कंसिस्ट ऑफ प्लेसिंग द कोर्स एग्रीगेट ओनली भी हम कह सकते हैं. ठीक है. इसके बाद हमने ये डायग्राम देखा, प्री प्लेस्ड एग्रीगेट कंक्रीट रिपेयर टू कंक्रीट वॉल. ठीक है. इसके बाद हमने प्रोसेस इसका डिस्क्राइब किया. प्रोसेस डिस्क्राइब करने के बाद हमने ग्राउटिंग ऑफ प्री प्लेस्ड एग्रीगेट डन बाय 3 मेथड्स. 3 मेथड कौन कौन से उनके बारे में हमने पढ़ा. एडवांटेज ऑफ प्री प्लेस्ड एग्रीगेट कंक्रीट. एडवांटेज क्या होते हैं प्री प्लेस्ड एग्रीगेट कंक्रीट के, इनके बारे में भी हमने डिस्कस किया. इसके बाद हम शॉर्टकट और गुनाइटिंग पे आए. शॉर्टकट और गुनाइटिंग होता क्या है. ठीक है. इसके बाद हमने शॉर्टकट वर्सेस कन्वेंशनल कंक्रीट के बारे में डिस्कस किया. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ शॉर्टकट का हमने क्या किया, क्लासीफाई किया. 2 पार्ट में क्लासिफिकेशन इसका होता है, ड्राई एंड वेट प्रोसेस. फिर हमने एडवांटेज पढ़े ड्राई प्रोसेस के. ठीक है. फिर हमने वेट प्रोसेस पढ़ा और वेट प्रोसेस के क्या पढ़े स्टूडेंट्स, एडवांटेज पढ़े. ठीक है. फिर हमने एप्लीकेशन ऑफ शॉर्टकट कि शॉर्टकट को हम कहाँ पे अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो कई एप्लीकेशन के बारे में हमने पढ़ा, ठीक है, और उनमें से कुछ के डायग्राम है। स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।